Hello everyone. Today is the first day of the presentation, paper number 205, Cultural Study. This is I am Khushi Rathod. Today I present the globalization of Indian literature, a critical examination of Chetan Bhagat's work. This is my personal information. This is the table of content which I discuss. First, introduction of globalization and literature. Globalization has transformed literature like ideas, perspective, literary works to cross geographical boundaries and connect with a wider audience. In modern Indian literature, this shift is evident in the themes, language, and value that authors present. The Indian literature of 21st century has undergone phenomenal changes in recent times. Although with the of technology, the brilliance of Indian literature has grown considerably. One does not need to burn the books in order to destroy school of thoughts, getting people to stop reading them in act enough. This hard truth is facing Indian literature today. In the race of materialistic gains, young India has forsaken the rich cultural heritage that surround India. Authors such as Chetan Bhagat, Ravinder Singh, Arvind Adiga, and many more have Indian psyche pretty well and have brought it out brilliantly in their works. Chetan Bhagat, Voice of Modern India. Chetan Bhagat is a widely recognized author in modern Indian literature. He used simple language that resonated with a broad audience, making his book accessible to both avid readers and new to literature. His notable works, first 5 Point Someone, Two State, and the Three Mistakes of My Life. Bhagat's novel frequently explore the theme of youth, love, struggle, socio-economical challenges of India, focus on contemporary issue. His story often depict young Indian as they navigate education, relationship, and career pressures within the context of fast-paced, globalized world. Engaging writing style. Chetan Bhagat used the first-person narrative and humor draw readers in helping them connect emotionally with the character and situation. This appropriable style and focus on the relatable themes have led Bhagat's popularity, especially among youth adults in India. Interplay of the technology and tradition. 5 Point Someone, Chetan Bhagat's novel, published in 2004. The first novel, Win the Heart of the Young, deal with the life of three characters, Hari, Rhea, and Alok. Exam operates the student who complete the gate into the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Three characters, Hari, Rhea, and Alok, to story the struggle of the education. He continues to mugging, testing, and assignments. Where is the time to try out new ideas? First, 5 semester to go on, and then life is changing. Then his question: the Indian educational system of the relative grading and overburdening the student. Where is the room for original thoughts? Chetan Bhagat's message through the novel question the Indian educational system to see the how the children to pass in the read the books now. The time to practice new technology and tradition. Second, globalization and youth culture. The Chetan Bhagat novels One Night at the Call Center. The novel published in 2005. In the story, call centers, six characters. The story in novel, call center jobs are hot pick for the Indian youth, which is present at it seems to be a non-risky job and requires minimum educational qualification. In this novel, to see the six members and all the six members to different story to their job. Globalization is call center culture. Romantic revolves around six bored young Indians who working for Ashwini Rana Coal Center in India to resolve the mindless inquiries of the Midwestern American technophobes to sell home appliances to US. All these six members to board your life because their job, their was were very boring. And one day, the six members to decide chilling to club. That night to back to their office. That night to shift their job. One accident, and all the members to see all the members not uh, any one to one in one character to immediately fund to God. That one thing to Chetan focus to enter the spirituality to God and God to message all these members how to face the problem in their life and how to deal with it. And suddenly, six members to in new energy and back to the life. And all these six members then slowly all the problem face and settle all the lives during the particular night. This novel through Chetan Bhagat message how the youth culture survive our problems and slowly escalating. Third, cultural conflicts and modern education. Chetan Bhagat novel, The Three Mistakes of My Life. In to see how three in the novel Chetan Bhagat to see three friends story in the friendship, career, and political, social political to see in the first religion and political interview. The novel highlights how religious beliefs are often exploited for political gain, particularly the leader like Parekji, who used religious rhetoric to influence and control. Backdrop of the communal tension. This novel backdrop of the Gujarat riots in 2002. Manipulation of the youth. Character like Vito instill communal ideology in the youth, leading individual like Omi to shift focus from the personal goal. In this novel, one time in to communal one character to see the how no, um, your goal to shift and how to come. Critique and religion political fusion. Bhagat argued that religion should remain separate from politics as interviewing, winning them leads to societal exploitation, discord, and modernization. Hope for the social harmony. The narrative encourage young Indians to rise above religious bases and work towards unity, suggesting that true modernization can only be achieved through cultural and communal harmony. The gods we pray to stay away from politics in their time. If we truly want to follow our gods, we must keep our religion separate from politics. Religion is private, politics public. In this novel through Chetan Bhagat message, all the peoples do mistake, but mistake through new no mistake in future. To state in the novel to see how intercaste marriage in modern time to face. First, multiculturalism and intercaste marriage. Chetan Bhagat's two states explored the complex dynamic of intercaste marriage in India. depicting the relationship between Krish and Ananya. The novel emphasizes cultural contrast between North and South India, highlighting difference in language, food, and rituals. This story, Chetan Bhagat's own story, challenging of culture differences. Because of the novel, Krish is a Punjabi and Ananya is a Chennai Tamilian. So the challenge of culture difference because of the family to convince the marriage. The novel portrays stereotypes of North-South clashes with humorous movement, showcasing the cultural misunderstanding that arise between Krish, Punjabi family, and Ananya, Tamilian family. Example, stereotype. Krish motherly Tamilian culture as the conservative, while Ananya's family view Punjabis as overly materialistic. Third point, modernization and love marriage. Bhagat contrasts traditional arranged marriage with the modern concept of love marriage. They must also accept each other for a successful union. Krish and Ananya's effort to gain family approval reflect changing societal norms in a globalized India, where young people increasingly prioritize personal choice over culture boundaries. In this novel, Chetan Bhagat noted that our present time present youth to patiently calm and with family to accept all situation. Globalization dual impact on Indian society. Positive impact, negative impact. First, positive impact. Career prospect, economical growth. Globalization has opened the numerous career opportunity sector like IT, call center, and multinational corporation fostering economic growth and development. Culture integration, increased intersection between different region and community with ideas has fostered greater understanding and acceptation of culture diversity. This blending has enriched social value and encouraged cosmopolitan lifestyle among urban India. Education advancement. Globalization has introduced new education tools such as e-learning and distance education, making learning more accessible. Foreign collaboration have enhanced the quality and reach the education, promoting literacy and skill development. Negative impact, loss of tradition and culture dissonance. The rapid spread the Western value has led to decline in traditional practice and family structure, with joint family increasingly shifting to nuclear model. The shift has caused a generational gap and sometimes weakened cultural ties. Second, identity struggle. With the influence of global culture, particularly among youth, there is often a struggle to balance traditional value with modern, globalized ideas. This has led to identity conflict, especially in urban areas where lifestyle have changed drastically. Marginalized and social inequality. While some groups benefit from the economic gains of globalization, others, particularly rural areas, face challenges. The increased focus on urban development often leaves rural population marginalized, widening socioeconomic disparities. Conclusion, Chetan Bhagat emerged as the relatable voice for Indian youngsters, urban middle class capturing their aspiration, frustration, and identity struggle in rapid globalization world. Bhagat accessible language and them themes make his works widely popular, offering a new kinds of narrative that bridges traditional Indian value with contemporary issue. His novel highlight the cultural conflict and modernization pressure that defined 21st century India. As the Indian English literature continue to grow on the global, Bhagat approach suggests that a relatable, accessible story with the universal theme can enhance global appreciation of the Indian narratives. This is my reference. Thank you. If any question, if
See, my question is, in your opinion, what is the future of Indian English literature on the global stage, as influenced by authors like Chandra?
yes, Jay, my opinion is that the future Indian English literature in global stage as influenced by author like Chetan Bhagat, definitely to Indian literature slowly and steady, but that reach the Indian literature has globalized and Indian story with culture and with modern story to definitely that globalized world definitely to reach the Indian story uh, and global stage. Next question.
So my question is, do you think the economic benefits of globalization have overshadowed the preservation of Indian culture, heritage, and literature?
Yes, Jay. Economical benefit, globalization overshadows the preservation of Indian's culture, heritage in literature. Definitely, Indian literature to economic, like writers like Chetan Bhagat, universal theme like career, love, struggles, technology, and social economic themes themes to uh, uh, both the culture and modern, both the to with both the give the both they give globally balance to like Chetan Bhagat balance culture, culture and modern with balance. So definitely economical benefit in Indian literature. Thank you.